Hey everyone! So I just wanted to go over the calendar for this week, and it's going to be similar to what you get from all of your teachers. My daughter here, Riley, hanging out. She just woke up from a nap and wouldn't let anyone else hold her, so she's going to go over it with us. So at the top of every calendar that you get should have the teacher's name, their email, and the website. Since Miss Holstad and I co-teach together, this is from both of us. And so you have both of our names, both of our emails. It is going to be best if you email both of us. And then one of us will get back to you. So then it has a little bit of a memo here about what's going on this week. Directions for Canvas, because you guys are going to be turning in all your worksheets on Canvas for this week. So you're going to go to this link here. You're going to click on I'm a student and enter this code and you'll be into my class. So here is this week at a little snippet. Sorry, she opened a highlighter. So the first thing you're going to do on Monday is watch this video that I made about patterns. And then underneath there is a vocab sheet. You can ignore the first page. That was the calendar before all of this changes. And then a 9.1's notes key. But you can go ahead. Sorry. You can go ahead and use these or not use these. It is in my video, so you don't have to have them. And then you're going to find one pattern in the real world, and then write the explicit and recursive formula for it, and you're going to submit it via Canvas. Then on Tuesday, you can do some optional activities that kind of give you an idea of what arithmetic and geometric are before watching the video where I give you the information. And again, there's the notes if you want them after watching the video or before. And then Wednesday is going to be a work day where you're completing an activity based on what you learned here. And then Thursday, you're going to watch another video that I made, and then the notes are there. And then Friday is a work day where you submit your assignment on Canvas. And then on Friday at 11 a.m., I am going to go live on YouTube. And you guys, any questions you have sent me or Ms. Holstad before then, I will go over. Or if I'm going over something and you have a question, you can email it to me, and I'll have my email open at the same time. I really hope that you guys are doing well, and I hope that this video is helpful, and I hope that my kids weren't too distracting for you. And I just really miss you guys, and I hope you have great success, and I know you will be able to get through this. Thanks. Bye.